Okay, last class we will starting file handling concept. In that file handling, we will discussing working with text files. In the text files, basic concepts we will discussing. By using with keyword also is over. Okay, last class continuation. What is file pointer? What is file pointer? Whenever we are opening a file, one cursor is blinking. Cursor is called file pointer. By default, file pointer is located or pointed at a 0 indexing. Whenever we are opening a file, one cursor is blinking. That cursor is called file pointer. By default, the file pointer is located or pointed at a 0 indexing. Now observing very clearly, now I am open this file. Here one cursor is blinking. This cursor is nothing but a file pointer. Are you clear? This is nothing but a file pointer. Now observing very clearly. All of you understanding? This is a file pointer. By default, this file pointer is locating at 0 indexing. Are you clear? Now I am open the file object with the open of sample1.txt file, that is a read mode, as F1, print of F1.tell. The tell method to return the current file pointer position. Next one, print of F1.read of 3 characters I want to read. After reading 3 characters, again I want to find the file pointer position. Now I want to read 7 characters. F1.read of 7. Now again I want to print a file pointer position F1.tell. Next one, I want to change my file pointer position by using seek method. Go to which index we are moving to, which position we want to moving. My requirement 4th position. Next one, print of F1.read of 5. F1 dot again seek of 15. Print of F1 dot read of 4. Print of F1 dot tell. Already in the previous class we were discussing what is the purpose of tell method and what is the purpose of read method. Okay, the read method to read the data from the file, which number, how many number of characters we want to finding. My requirement, I want to finding 3 characters. I want to retrieve 3 characters, or I want to retrieve 7 characters. A read of n. Already we were discussing this method in the previous class. The tell method to return the file pointer position, and the purpose of seek method is to change the file pointer position. To change the file pointer position. Now I'm explaining. This is my input file, observing very clearly. The index values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. G means 9. Next one, okay, 0, 1, 2, space of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next one, 10. This index value is 11. This index value is 12. This index value is 13, or otherwise simply observing very clearly. For easily understanding purpose. Now the index values I am specifying 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Now observing very clearly. Zero, 1, 2, space 3, S4, I5, 6, 7, space 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. M value 14, 15, just observing. Okay, just wait. Okay, manually I am providing, just observing. This is the 0th position. 1, 2, space 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, up to so on. By default, the file pointer locating this position. What is that position? 0. Read of 3. First 3 characters. After reading first 3 characters, our file pointer locating this position. What is that position? That position index value is again 3. Now read 7. Space and Shiva. Space is one character. Shiva totally 5 characters. Space 6 character. And the 7th character is G. Now the file pointer is moving to from here to here. Now what is the position? 10th position. Seek 4. I want to change the file pointer position from 10 to 4. Again go to backward. 4th position means here. Control go to this position. I want to read 5. 5 means S I V A space character. Now again the file pointer is moving to this position, G position. From here to moving to 15. 15 means wo. From here to 4 characters. Wo R N I. The file pointer is moving to from here to here. Now the file pointer is locating at 19th position. 19th position. Now that is the execution flow. All of it clear?
Clear.
Yeah. Now I'm
Sir, once seek, once you have to explain.
Seek means here which position we are moving to, that position is directly moving, either backward or forward.
Okay, sir. Okay.
From current position to is moving to this particular position.
Okay, sir.
Now this is the output. Next, observing very clearly, this is my text file. Hi, Shiva. Good morning. Okay, this is my data. Now I want to read the line from the file. Read the line from the file. Write a program. Read the line from the file. This is my input file. I want to read the file from line from the file. Simply f1 dot read line method read line method we are using. That result I want to print it. By default, it will read first line from the file. First line from the file. First line from the file. Are we clear this example? Write a program to read all the lines from the file. To read all the lines from the file. Simply read lines. The read lines method to give the output as a list format. The read lines method to give the output as a list format. Okay, whenever we are enter the character, press enter button, then automatically one new line character will be added. That is a /n. Okay, at the time of writing the data into the text file, whenever we are enter the press enter button, then automatically it will be added one new line character. That character is called /n. Are you clear? Every line end with the /n character.
So, sir, I have a doubt. If you want to read a specific line, let's say in the sample1.txt, if you want to read good morning line, only that specific line, how can we do that?
Okay, based upon the line number, for suppose that is the third line. Now third line means always indexing always starts with
0.
0. That's why we are passing 2.
Okay.
Okay, nth row. If you want to printing nth row, n-1 we are passing. Okay.
Yes, sir, got it. But we have to use this read lines, right? Not read line.
Read line, it will reading only first line by default.
Okay, yeah, got it. Thanks.
Okay, next one. Write a program to read the nth row and nth column character I want to print it. Okay, write a program to read the nth row and nth column character from the given file. Are you clear? Or suppose this is my file. My requirement third row 7th character I want to printing. 7th character. Third row means this is the first row, second row, third row. In the 7th character means first character, second character, third one, fourth, fifth one, sixth one, and 7th one. This character I want to print. Are you clear? X equal to int of input of enter row number and y equal to int of input of enter column number. Now that read lines to give the output as a which format? List format, list supporting indexing, row -1, x -1 of column -1, because indexing always starts with 0, either row index or column index. Third row and the 7th character, that character is O. Are you clear? Next, another example. Write a program to return the number of in a file, number of rows in a file. This is my file. Now I want to fetch number of rows. Number of rows. How to fetch that one? We are reading the data from the file by using read lines. The read lines method to give the output as which format? List format. Simply we can apply the length function. Simply we can apply the length function. Note it will return the 4. All of you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next one, number of words. With a program to return the number of words in a file. In a file. Number of words in a file. Sample1.txt. Okay, how many words? This is a one word, second word, third one, fourth one, and totally 7 words. First one, we can read the data. We can read the data, the read method to give the output as string format. That string is converting into words. How to converting? By using split method. That split method to give the output as a list format. This statement to give the output as a list of words. After that one, I am apply the length function. Next one, that result I want to print it. That is the result. Please try to understanding. If anybody don't understanding, please clarify your doubt. All of you clear? Next one. Write a program to return the number of characters in a file. Number of characters in a file. Okay, first we need to read the data. That is a string format. After that, we can apply the length function. Now it gives the output is 35. You are observing very clearly to count the characters manually. Are you getting 35 or not? Are you clear? Okay, 35 means observing very clearly. Every line, press enter button. one character will be added. That character is nothing but a slash n. This is also one character will be added. Here also one character will be added. Now first row 4 characters, second row 5 characters. 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 4 13, plus space 14, 14 plus 3 17, 17 plus 3 20, 22, 22 plus 5 27, space 28 plus 3 31, plus space 32 plus 3 35. Are you clear? Write a program, write the multiple lines into the file by using write method. By using write method. By using write method. Sample 5 write mode f1 dot write off I slash n for new line character slash n for another new line character okay. Within the string we are using slash n character, that is a new line character. Now go to current working directory. Here sample file txt file is created. In that file, this is the data.
Sir, I have a doubt here.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, when we try to read multiple lines, I mean, the output is coming as a list format.
Yeah.
So, but here when we trying to write, okay, when we are trying to write multiple lines, why you are giving some string format? Why don't we give list format?
Okay, this is a write method. Write method always take the string format. Already in the last class, I'm explaining write of yes. Write method take the input as a string only. If you interest, we can passing the list by using one more method, that is a write lines method.
Okay, so strings can be used with write only. Yeah, got it, sir. Thank you.
Sample 5.txt file is created. In that file to write this data as a multiple lines. Program to write the multiple lines into the file by using write lines. By using write lines. Now here I am using write lines. In that case, it takes the input as a list format. Now I Good evening. That is my list format. I am passing. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Now I am taking as a file name 6. Now go to that location. Sample6.txt file is created. Okay. This is the sample 6. Next one, another example. Write a program to copy the data from one file to another file. One file to another file. Now observing very clearly, this is my input file. Same data I want to copy to another file. Now observing very clearly, sample6 underscore copy. Simply one file name I am taking, that is a write mode. Another file I am open with the open sample6 text. That is a read mode as F2. Now I want to read the data from F2 dot read. That data will be writing into in F1. The data will be writing into F1. That's why F1 dot write of F2 dot read. F2 dot read. Now observing very clearly, our program successfully executed. In the current working directory, one file is created. In the current working directory, one file is created. That is a sample6 underscore copy, same data. Okay. I want to read the data from this file and writing into another file. My file name is sample6 underscore copy.txt file. Are you clear this example? Write a program to append the data from one file to another file. Write a program to append the data from one file to another file. This is my sample5.txt file. This is my sample6.txt file. Here, my requirement is I want to read the data from sample6.txt. That data will be added at the which one sample.py file in the next line. in the next line. My requirement, I want to read the data from sample6.txt file. The data will be writing into in the new line of the samplify.txt. That is my requirement. Now observing very clearly, sample 5, that is my file. Which mode I want to open? Append mode. Append mode. Next one, read the data. That data will be writing into F1. Whenever we can executing this command, our data will be appended at the end of the previous data. But my requirement in the next line, how to go to the next line? First, we are adding one new line character, write off 1/n. We are not adding this /n character. The data will be added at the end of the previous data in that file. Are you clear? /n purpose, next line. Now I'm trying to executing. Sample 5 I'm executed. Now our data will be added in the next line. Are you clear up to now? Okay, next one. Another example. Write a program to return the number of occurrences of given character or substring in a given file. This is my data. Take the substring as a input. Take the substring as a input. Substring as a input. Input of enter your character or substring. Simply I am taking as a yes. Read the data from that file. Observing very clearly, first I want to check whether that is a single character or more than single character. If length of s is double equal to 1, now this logic is executed. We need to read the data f1 dot read. Now that is a string object providing count method. Count of that character yes I am passing. That result I want to print it. For suppose more than one character, that means substring. Simply first we need to convert in that data into words. F1 dot read dot split. Next one dot count of yes. That result I want to print it. Now I'm passing character G. G 4 times. That means this is my input file. How many times G is occurred? 1, 2, 3, and 4. For suppose I am passing I character. I character. How many times? 7 times. We need to check whether 7 times or not. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. For suppose one more time I'm executing I am passing 2 times. Okay, this is the simple logic. Please try to understanding this logic. If anybody any doubt, please clarify your doubts. Are you clear this logic up to now? Please responding.
Sir, that split line, one cells part explains.
Okay, first one, we can read the data from the file. The read method to give the output as always string format. That string is converting into words. How to converting? Which one? By using split
using
method.
split.
Now, what is the result of this entire statement? List of words. Are you clear? Split gives the output as a list format.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Already
Yes,
we
sir.
were discussing in the list concept, list supporting count method. That's why list object dot count method I am applying. This is a string object dot count. This is a list object dot count.
Yes, sir. Understands.
Yeah, okay. Write a program to return the palindrome words write a program to return the palindrome words in a given file. In a given file. Okay. Observing very clearly. Now I am taken as a one file. And is a high-level programming language. Okay, this is my file. Now I want to read this data and I want to displaying only palindrome words. Now observing very clearly, this is my file. Now I want to read the data from that file. Next one, take the one by one word. Take the one by one word. Or word in f1 dot read dot split if w double equal to w of colon colon minus 1. Whenever this condition is true, print that w. Print that w. Madam, I Malayalam IA level. Okay, this is the simple file handling concept. Text files. Up to now, okay, I'm explaining any number of examples. All of you clear these examples? Okay, tomorrow we will discussing what is the serialization and what is the deserialization. After that one, working with JSON files and working with CSV files.